Hi, I'm Tuan with NZXT.
And you know Paul. So let's start looking at it.
Okay, this is our new Phantom 630. It's a full-size tower. As you can notice, it's actually a little bit wider than our Phantom 820, and it's about the same height. But it's actually about 235 millimeters wide, and with the let me actually try to find that panel for you. This is the wait, this isn't it. Actually, hey, where's the punch out? The other one though. The other one. The punch out.
Yeah, I know we have X9 on there.
Yeah, on this one, this tab.
He's not an employee other than just doing our
Who was that?
Okay. Oh, okay. Well, never mind. This has actually 35 millimeters of clearance out here, so you have plenty of space for all cable management. This is actually a split level motherboard tray. So as you can see, it actually comes up over here. So you have
a lot of
an insane amount of cable management space. As you'll see in the two system builds over there. But yeah, this is our hard drive tray. They're actually, if you look right here, they're actually fully modular. There's 3 right here, and then there's 1 right here, and there's 3 total over here, and there's the bridge right here. These are all fully removable.
You can pretty much arrange them.
Yeah, you can arrange these 3 drives in any manner that you want. So for example, you can have, the normal setup is all 3 will be right here, and you'll actually still have enough room for a very standard water cooling setup, like 360 up here, and you can actually do a 360 in front too.
No,
or 240 in front.
Yeah, I see the much also. You got a 200 fan right there, and you got 15 mil space.
Yeah, and
for
this
that.
is with all of your drives inside your case still. And so obviously, when you take all of these out,
the gap between the hard drive tray and there, you can put a radio.
We'll demonstrate it to you actually after.
Right. So you can. You'll see later, but basically you can remove all of these and have an insane amount of liquid cooling.
Not even mine, it's your CEO.
You'll actually see in the other system over there, we actually put 3 Kraken X40s to cool 3 GPUs, and then 1 Kraken X60 up here to cool the CPU. Yeah, and these are new. These are steel latches, so they're this way.
Oh, cool.
They're very sturdy. Very durable, much better than the plastic ones you typically see these days.
Yeah, because what happens with that is that people just remove it and just use screws for these.
Right.
You definitely, yeah.
Yeah, so you'll see also the other big thing with this is we really focused a lot of time on the interior, and right here you'll notice we have a gigantic cutout. So you're never gonna have to worry about removing the motherboard to put on any kind of backplate you want, And one other thing is we actually have cable routing holes up here instead of a lot of people will have them like on the side. Yeah. So you can actually bring the 8-pin CPU connectors right up there, and it looks very clean.
And very smart.
Right. And right here we have 2 removable. They're actually removable SSD mounts. And we also have right here is the fan hub that's directly connected to our fan controller. So instead of having a mess of
because the previous one only had a 4-pin Molex for the fan hub. Now this one is integrated. As you said.
Right. If you notice from the Phantom 820, we actually have there's a whole bunch of wires coming down. But we decided to clean things up with this fan hub, so you can plug in all 10 fans in here. It's very nice and clean setup.
Which is really good.
And
It's really nice.
A lot of the people that ended up complaining about a specific thing that we used to do is the fan filters at the front, where it used to have clips where they didn't break.
Yeah.
But now we use like this metal.
it's actually magnetic.
Yeah, so it just lights in. It just stays over there.
There's also one in the back too.
You got your SD card reader here.
Oh, you got an SD card reader in there too?
Yes.
Okay.
And then our pretty much pioneering LED for the
lights. Yeah, I love that for the
signature
820.
IO
Yes.
LEDs, right?
I have it backwards. I wish somebody would put that. I have to mod my H2 to put a thing there. But I just bought a USB. I just bought a USB adapter for my optical drive, so I can just have it backwards. You see, so the adjustable paramount. You can. This is a 140. I'm seeing here.
Right. So instead of like holes, now we do these slits, so you can mount pretty much anything.
Pretty cool.
And so I guess we can show you guys the build.
And this is 10. Is it counting it right? 2,
So
4,
we're
6?
pretty much calling this
9,
an LG
yeah.
tower now. With the amount of features and slots, of course. Yeah.
And maximum motherboard size support.
XL
XL ATX.
So you can see the raised motherboard tray here pretty clearly.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a tapered, slightly angled. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That's good.
So I'll show you the builds. So this is a P630 with an all Kraken build. It's pretty insane.
See, there is a 240 here in front. Oh, this is actually two 120s.
Two 140s.
Separate one. Oh, 140.
Yeah, they're all 140s. So it's actually 280 here. So 280s, two 140s, and a 140 here, and a 280 up there.
All Kraken cooling build. All CPU and the 3 GPUs we got there.
And you'll notice we still have all of our hard drive trays.
Yeah, they weren't removed at all, except for the
The
small
bottom
one
here, yeah. But
The bottom is actually just a bridge.
We move back so we can see the totality there. Yeah, beautiful.
it's pretty insane.
Yeah, it is insane. And that is a push pull on top, just so people don't see
Yes,
that. Oh, it
yeah,
says hidden
we
up
have
there.
we have the two 200mm fans up top, acting for the push pull.
Full
setup.
push pull, and there's enough clearance for the cable. Since the cable is tapered to the back, the people can route it. Especially with the I see the premium cables that you guys have, cable extenders in there.
Thank you. We there's a member on over.
So are you going with the new power supplies? Are you going with
Yeah,
the
this-
individual sleeving?
With
single
the
sleeves?
no, the
So
new
they're flat,
new-
they're ultra-
actually
the flat
the
ones.
reason why we decided not to do that is for maximum efficiency, because sometimes when you do the individual sleeving and everything, you actually lose a bit of efficiency.
The individual sleeving doesn't actually meet any safety.
No, I understand. I'm plainly talking aesthetics.
Yeah,
Right.
we're happy to let people do it. We'd love to see it, and we sell cables.
And as you can see,
Or GPUs.
this one is one where we took out everything, and you can see the massive amount of space you have here for almost limitless number of water cooling solutions.
Plenty of space, definitely.
And this is all out of the box, removing a few screws. You don't have to cut anything. You don't have to
No
trouble
modding,
anything.
no modding required.
Exactly.
And just so people see the backlight IO shield there.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Hello, I'm Joey, in charge of Power in NZXT. This year we are going to launch the new Hale 90B2 series. This year we have a 3 wattage, come from 850, 1 kilowatt, and 1200. And this is a brand new design with a unique ID, especially designed with L-shaped plastic parts. So this is the very unique and innovative to the power field. And we are not only care about the exterior but also the interior. So as you can see, these 1200 watt models, okay, they are all designed in black and white theme, especially to some parts like heatsink. We combine the copper with the aluminum heatsink, and also to the main AC to DC converting stage. And as you can see, we are the first one who use the white PC board.
Yeah, custom NZXT on that.
And we are not only to the main PC board, but also to the very tiny PC board. Actually, this tiny PC board is the new design to meet the regulation of the ERP 2013 requirement, which means the manpower power will less than 0.5 watts
And
when
plus
PC is
5
off.
USB, yeah.
Yes.
And this is fully modular. See here.
Yeah, this is a fully modular design. Especially, we do design the real voltage sensing from the terminal side. I will show you the 20 plus 4-pin cable here. This is to the motherboard, and this is plugged in to the modular nameplate here. So we do sense the real voltage from the terminal side to provide the more accurate voltage regulation on the motherboard side.
Oh, that's very unique. Yeah.
Yes.
And can I see the cables that will come with it? I think it's the flat cables, if I'm correct.
Yeah.
With a regular, yeah, there you go, for your regular standard. You get the flat cable.
This is for the CPU, and this is for the PCI Express. Okay.
And these have the efficiencies of gold, 80 plus gold.
Actually, those models are certified by 80 plus gold, but the testing resource is very close to the 80 plus
80 plus platinum, almost
Yes.
there. Yeah. And these are in terms of warranty. What are we looking at here for
5 years warranty. In the US and Canada, we do support the less than 3 program, which means user they don't need to pay the freight. They
Oh,
just
I see. Yeah.
give us an
And is
number,
it-
then we will pick up his video unit
Oh, wow.
back to our warehouse. Then we will check, inspect, then send a new one to the user.
Oh, that's very unique. It's only in US and Canada. Is one.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Very good. Very good. That's it. Very cool. Thank you.
By the way, I would like to introduce the internal part. We use the copper bar to deliver the energy through the major board to the daughter board, and use the thick 3.3 4 wire and 5 volt wire instead of so many wire. Why?
Yeah.
Because we try to reserve more space for the cooling.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, and this is the server grade design.
That's very unique. Fully custom design.
Yeah,
Cool. Thank you very much.
you're welcome. Thank you.